have hearing aids, so I avoid them.
Yeah. Hey Chris, I bet one of these guys. Yep.
Okay, sounds good. So.
Yeah, I think the flying part of using a drone is becoming so much easier. And you're right, like kids can do it without any training, really.
What, a big one to carry? How big of a payload?
Gosh, I wish I could remember the model, but I think it carries up to 50 kilograms.
Every drone counts.
That's right.
You built all these yourself? Very nice. And here is the table. The coveted table with all the awards.
I'm like, no, I didn't.
There's Yasmin. Say hi, Yasmin.
And Bailey.
Hello.
Bailey is one of the ambassadors for Women Who Drone. Maria is up in Prescott. Oh, that's right.
I don't know. We'll see if I can add one of these to my collection at home.
Yeah.
Particularly
Best of Arizona.
that one right there.
Yeah, your video was great.
You saw it?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. And this is Saunders Staley from Flying Robot, and he has been my biggest competition all these years. Super amazing drone pilot.
Turn it up.
Very nice.
Thank you. Mix between the Air 2S and the Avata 2.
Great. What did you shoot this in and then? What's with the spinning thing in the front?
It's a LiDAR unit.
Okay.
It actually maps the entire
He wants you to shake his paw.
Space around it.
it maps the entire area. And it has obstacle avoidance, so it actually
Oh, that's so ball foot. You a good robot?
I would have way too much fun with that.
I would want to tease my dog with it.
I'm just saying you can follow me. Oh yeah, totally.
Whoa.
Yeah, make it fun. That's what a lot of guys don't do. They make it just about the fun. Yeah. They try to
you're always doing fun because that's what people like to see. Like in my videos, I think the reason why I like my videos
Oh, it's a stretch.
and then my friends are in the back room like, yeah, you know, it's like that. We're very
There's videos with him and his friends all doing it all at the same time.
So just keep it engaging, just keep it fun for yourself. Those who want to get there,
Okay, and we got the Inspire Free over here.